Hi everyone, I'm Miss Susan from the library. We are going to do one of my favorite finger plays called Two Little Blackbirds. Everybody get your two little blackbirds ready. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting on a stick, one named Slow and one named Quick. Fly away, Slow. Fly away, Quick. Come back, Slow. Come back, Quick. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud, one named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away, Soft. Fly away, Loud. Come back, Soft. Come back, Loud. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. Thanks, bye.